What is up, Brian?
What's up?
What are we working on today?
A90 Supra. A real Supra. The only real Supra. It's a BMW.
What are we gonna do on this car today?
We're gonna do an exhaust, like mostly what we do. And it's gonna be pretty straightforward, I think. It's gonna be a 3-inch titanium. So 3-inch titanium straight pipe on this car. So curious to see how it sounds. I'm sure it's probably gonna sound pretty good, and we'll get to it.
What up, Brian? What do we have going on here?
Okay, so this is my shit. This is like, I don't know, like 3/4 of the exhaust. The other side is right there. How much does it weigh?
I think 6.2.
6.5 pounds. The whole exhaust for a Supra. So there's that. Making the pass.
Nice.
All right.
How long has it been taking you?
This one's pretty easy. So we were like talking most of the time and eating lunch. So maybe like 4 hours. 4 hours. The welding is a little bit longer, so the welding takes longer. But fitting it up wasn't too bad. Maybe like 5-hour exhaust.
Nice.
Making the pass.